Hi students, let us start with a new chapter, simple linear inequations. Okay, so including word problems we'll be solving here. So a mathematical statement which shows that two algebraic expressions are equal is called as an equation. So a mathematical expression statement which shows that two algebraic expressions are equal is called an equation. Okay. So how do we solve it? So directly I am moving to the exercise problem. I will explain you with the exercise problem how to solve it. Coming to exercise 22a, let me do the first question. Solve. So coming to the first sub question, we have x plus 2 equal to 6. So how we are going to solve it is the question here, right? So we have x plus 2 is equal to 6 we have. So what do we actually do here is we will take the numbers to one side and we will keep the variable at the other side. So x I will keep here. Here we have, look at this, we have plus 2 here, right? So if I take plus 2 to the other side, it will become what? It will become minus 2. So it will become 6 minus 2. X is equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4 you will get. Hope it's clear. Okay. Now coming to the second sub question. Value of x you got as 4 here. So next you have x plus 6 equal to 2. In this case what happens? X equal to, again this plus 6 bringing to the other side, what will become? It will become minus 6. So 2 minus 6. What is 2 minus 6? You know it is minus 4. Okay. Now third sub question you have y plus 8 is equal to 5. So I can take y is equal to 5 minus 8, that is equal to minus 3. Fourth sub question we have x plus 4 is equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3 minus 4. What is minus 3 minus 4? That is equal to minus 7. Fifth one, y plus 2 is equal to minus 8. Y is equal to minus 8 minus 2. Sign will change when it moves to the other side. Minus 8 minus 2 will become minus 10. Okay. Coming to the next one. Sixth one. B plus 2.5 equal to 4.2. So what you get? B is equal to 4.2 minus 2.5. What is 4.2 minus 2.5? So you will get 12. So it becomes 713. So it is 1.7 will be your answer. Next one we have P plus 4.6 is equal to 8.5. P is equal to 8.5 minus 4.6. 8.5 minus 4.6 is 15 minus this will give you 9 and 3. So you will get the answer as 3.9. The next one you have a plus 8.9 equal to minus 12.6. A equal to minus 12.6 minus 8.9. So in this case you need to add, right? 8.9. So what you get? 5, 1. 21. So you will get minus 21.5 will be your answer. 10th one you have x plus 2 1 by 3 equal to 5. So x equal to 2 1 by 3 will be what? So I can write this 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 3 equal to 5 we will get x equal to 5 minus 7 by 3. So you know how to subtract fractions, right? 5 by, so 5 3s are 15 by 3 minus 7 by 3 will give you 8 by 3. That is equal to 8 by 3, 8 2s are 6, 2. So you will get 2, 2 by 3 will be your answer here. Coming to the next one, we have Z plus 2 equal to 4 1 by 5. So Z is equal to 4 1 by 5, 4 5s are 20. 21 by 5 minus 2. So again it's 2 by 1. So in order to make the denominators equal, I can multiply it like this. I get 21 by 5 minus 10 by 5 equal to 11 by 5. That is equal to 2 1 by 5. 12th one we have m plus 3 1 by 2 minus equal to 4 1 by 4. So what you get, m plus 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2 is equal to 17 by 4. m is equal to 17 by 4 minus 7 by 2 into 2 into 2. So you'll get it as 17 by 4 minus 14 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. Next we have the 13th question. X plus 2 equal to 1 1 by 4. So I can write it as x plus 2 equal to 1 1 by 4 is 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 4. X equal to 5 by 4 minus 2. So x equal to 5 by 4 minus of 1 into 2 into 2. So I can write as 4 by 4 equal to 1 by 4. You get the value of x as 1 by 4. Coming to the 14th question, you have y plus 5 1 by 3 equal to 4. Y equal to 4 minus 5 1 by 3. So 4 minus 5 1 by 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 1 plus 1 is 16. 16 by 3. So I have 1 here. I can multiply into 3 into 3. So what do I get? I will get it as 12 by 3 minus 16 by 3, that is equal to minus 4 by 3. That will be the value of y here. Coming to the 15th question, we have a plus 3 1 by 5 equal to 1 1 by 2. A plus 16 by 5 equal to 3 by 2. So I can write as a is equal to 3 by 2 minus 16 by 5. So in order to make it equal, I need to multiply 5 here and 2 here. So what do I get? 15 minus 32 by 10 equal to minus 17 by 10. It is equal to 1 7 by 10. Hope it's clear, kids. So please go through this main and complete it in your classwork. Thank you.